How to access hidden photos on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do over here is tap on the file manager application on your device over here. As you do that, here you can see different options over here. All you have to do is tap on the folder icon over here at the top. Now as you do that, it will lead you to internal shared storage over here. So beside it, at the very right side of the screen, you can see the three dotted lines over here. So tap on it and here you'll have three options: sort by, create folder and show hidden files. So you have to tap on show hidden files and it will start showing all the hidden files and photos on Android. Now you just have to tap on the photo that you would want to access to and you'll be able to get that access on the hidden photos on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.